Okay, in the interest of time, I'll try to make this short and sweet. How should we navigate the vast, sometimes savage waters of digital transformation? Well, our next guest is going to tell us how we can do that successfully. So if you please would give us a warm welcome of applause for the president and the CEO of Konica Minolta, Mr. Shoei Yamana.
Good. Hi, hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Question: how should we navigate the vast, sometimes savage waters of digital transformation? Do we throw ourselves enthusiastically into a competitive race challenge and see who gets fastest with the most panache? Why should we, as other seafaring pioneers before us, explore every inch of this brave new digital world and turn it into the best possible business model for industry progress and the good of mankind? As a CEO of a large manufacturer company undergoing its own transformation from traditional manufacturer to digital business solution providers, I am focused on three things. First, have lightning speed development in digitalization of devices and ICT technology. Encourage creative corporate management and promotes future growth. Second, using digital transformation to actively promote diversity and innovation. Third, using digital development to achieve a cleaner environment and a better quality of life for all, to offer meaningful digital business solutions and services to customers. CEOs must transform their operations using new system algorithms and dynamic value-added business models. We need to drive the manufacturing industry forward by merging real and digital worlds and creating intelligent, inclusive multi-vendor software and platforms. Having charted the right course for digital transformation, the next question is how to steer the boat. For me, connectivity is a key landmark. Connectivity with devices and data, connectivity with the environment, and connectivity with people. Taking connectivity with devices and data first, at Konica Minolta, we are focusing on IoT technologies, deep learning, and other artificial intelligence, and robotics technologies. These technologies can help analyze IoT data and images, assign meaning to the behavior of machines and people, and create smarter devices, smarter workplaces, smarter B2B information flows, and smarter customer solutions. The first step is to introduce digital products and appropriate software into the workplace. Our multifunction digital printers and content management services serve as a network hub for intelligent digital workflows. We are also transforming commercial package, labels, and textile printing into on-demand digital workflows. And we are replacing traditional X-ray film with digital diagnostic imaging to help transform hospital and clinic workflows. The second stage involves using digital data to create meaningful solutions. Digital marketing is a good case in point. Many companies are seeking ways to manipulate big data to create effective, targeted marketing. We have boosted our multimedia marketing capabilities through strategic M&A. We are using digital platforms to create extra value and provide useful feedback on the customized plans. Deep learning and other AI technologies are driving more sophisticated and business analytics and enabling organizations to predict better business outcomes and promote innovation. With over 2 million clients worldwide and many hundreds of thousands of machines in the field, Konica Minolta is as well positioned as names like IBM and Google. With IoT, we have an opportunity to harness machines' footprints to fulfill a more valuable role in the workplaces. We are currently developing a new workplace platform which delivers the capability and services to empower an adaptive digital workplace in the IoT era. The capabilities are so powerful precisely because the multifunction device is physically present in the workplace. This is not simply a machine with fixed outputs, such as printing, but an intelligent means of harnessing and aggregating data from across organizations to deliver actionable insights that can dynamically meet a wide variety of business needs. Enabling innovation at a medium layer between harvesting data and applying intelligence can help harness the great potential of human creativity and empower more astute decision-making based on accurate information about the true nature of the world around us. The explosion of connected devices and data can also help us connect with our caring side in pursuit of better quality of life for all. In healthcare, we are using high-grade diagnostic imaging in primary care, linking patient treatment data and images via digital platforms and helping medical experts make efficient, accurate treatment decisions. Providing patient data securely to a number of clinics, hospitals, and medical examination centers can smooth the transition from institutional to home care. Recently, Konica Minolta launched a business in Japan called the Care Support System using smart home platforms. The system combines digital image processing, sensing, and voice input technology to help caregivers keep an eye on elderly patients within their facility, drastically reducing caregiver workloads. Another interesting idea is 3D laser radar, which contributes to human safety and security in a variety of ways. Improving security through investigation, helping grasp latest developments during natural disaster, creating new transport systems based on real-time traffic data and situations. I want to combine this state-of-the-art optics and sensors component with a video management system, combining wearable communicators as an output device and security robot as a both input and output devices can constitute a comprehensive security solution. By analyzing collected data and images, we can strive to resolve social problems and improve people's quality of life. The important thing is not to restrict this analysis to our own company's data alone. Instead, we should combine our systems with other devices and data sources to form new predictive models and create added value. Socially responsible digital transformation must also consider the environment. Konica Minolta's green factories, green products, and green marketing are designed to cut CO2's emission in half over the medium term. Here again, it is vital we don't limit the value of these activities to our own company alone. Instead, we need to share our in-house expertise for reducing environmental burdens within partner farms and customers worldwide. We believe the most important thing for all is to share our thoughts on the global environment with all of our stakeholders and establish an effective ecosystem that enables us all to create value and grow as a business while at the same time helping solve environmental issues. Konica Minolta's effort in this field has earned high praise, and we have won awards 2 years in a row for responsible environmental management in the Japanese manufacturing industry. Conducting activities that have increasing social significance is extremely important. In fact, I am convinced that if you contribute truly to society, profitability and benefit will follow. For me, expanding corporate profit and progressing social development are closely linked two wheels turning in tandem on a bicycle. Embrace that, and you boost your corporate value. Taking of boosting corporate value brings me to third key landmark: connectivity with people. As information flows become more complex, customers will start seeking multi-vendor, one-stop solutions. Konica Minolta is well known for its open relationship with suppliers and partner farmers. We are enthusiastic believers in open innovation and have abandoned the traditional product out approach in favor of collaborative B2B business creation. 3 years ago, we launched business innovation centers, or BIC as we call them, in 5 global regions located near the customer base. These centers discuss and debate carefully with client and create concrete value-added product package and solutions. Local decision-making power is delegated to ICT experts from different backgrounds to introduce greater diversity and creativity. We have formed variable alliances with local startup companies, university, and partner farms in each major global region. We are living in an area of unprecedented change, and we have to innovate to survive, while the digital area brings some creative disruption in its wake. It breaks down traditional barriers between industries and encourages new business models. We are moving from a battle of scale to a battle of wisdom. We should apply that wisdom to promote connectivity, creativity, and a richer human society. To that end, our drive for digital supremacy should be original, but open, competitive, but collaborative, and most of all, strategic, but sensitive. We'd love you to join us in this quest. Thank you.
Mr. Yamana, we have time for one question. We're running a little bit behind. I just wanted to ask you, as a global player, you were talking in your presentation, have you noticed any sharp difference in the level of digitization in different regions?
Actually, I believe that the digitalization is not smooth, sudden.
It's sudden.
There are so many examples in China's smartphone market expanded immediately. That's why, as far as I understand, digitalization, I don't see each region step by step come sudden. In that aspect, we establish 5 business innovation centers at the same time: China, Tokyo, Singapore, London, Silicon Valley. Having said so, knowing regional, local requirement, solution have to provide, carefully think about regional characteristic That's why solution should be meet those requirements.
Yeah.
But at the same time, great global application expansion. Think globally, but local activity as a solution provider. That is the key.
Global and local. Okay, Mr. Yamana, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.